Alright, so hopefully you can hear me. Today I'm going to be installing the Spider LED taillights for 98 to 2005, 98 to 05 GS300, GS400. I don't think it covers the GS430, so just do your research. But yeah, you can see the factory taillights. They work fairly well. I just want a little more modern, look, modernized. So I'm going to show you the taillights, all the functions, things like that. Stop. So that's their function stock. Then I'm going to unbox these spiders for you and show you what they look like. So they give you like a little thing to register with them, and probably install guides, stuff like that. Whatever. What they look like. They actually package them pretty freaking good. Double stack them here. They come with sockets in the tail lights here. I was recommended them by a friend. So basically, that's what they look like. They freaking look clean, dude. Dang, it's clean. So yeah, and they got the nice black housing right here. That down, and they come with the inners also. I really like LED stuff. It's just so cool. I'm just glad that they put them together. Looks like this has a board of some kind, I guess, to mount to something. To actually like Google that. Looks like a wiring board for some kind of like, oh, I think I know what it is. It's probably a resistor circuit for the factory tail light bulb out thing. That's what that looks like. So yeah, that's the tail light unboxing, and let's show you how to take them off. Alright, so I got one side in. It's not all the way back together. It's just tightened a little bit, and let's see if it works. Ooh. Dang, that's bright. Dude, you can see the other light is on and this one's not even on the left. Well, it's on, but it's like not even bright at all. That's crazy. Let's show the brake light. So as you can tell, the blinker doesn't work. So that's why you check when you install. So I want to do some research real quick. Alright, so I figured out that that part of the tail light I was showing you, or if I did, it's the turn signal. It comes blank in the Spider LEDs, and they actually have an install on YouTube, thank God, because they're written directions with the kit or the taillights is like super vague and basic when it doesn't even, it's not even application specific. It's just like, oh, plug it into your taillight bulb, and I'm like, what the heck? This is a socket, you can't do that. So basically it's an 1156A bulb. I called Vato Zone and they have one, so I'm gonna be right back and go bring it in. All right, so I found the part. It is this. This is what you need for Spider taillights on 9805 GS 300, 400, whatever. And I also got some of this, bulb grease, whatever. So let's giddy up. All right, let's now check it. You can see the difference. Freaking nuts. I love it. All right, we're gonna work on the middle and the other two. Alright, so as you can see, the tail lights are in, they work. Now time to do the centers, and this one I'll actually show you how to do it. Alright, so on this rear piece here, there's 14 plastic things you have to take off. So they're like scattered all the way basically around the edge, and you'll see they're pretty simple to see, so I'm gonna get started on that. So basically that's how you take out body clips. I would recommend getting a body clip, I guess driver, a bolt driver, not like it looks like a screwdriver, but it's got a fork. You can get them out without breaking them if you are careful and use like needle nose or something. So now it's time to take this off. So with their instructions, obviously, you got your new tail light, your inner, you need to disconnect this resistor harness. And all you have to do is, you know, just unplug it from here. Just in order to fit the harness through the actual trunk. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that. Alright, so these are like slip points. As you you can see, you just have like little Phillips that kind of like slide. So I'm actually going to get a Phillips head real quick and put them on. That's pretty much it. That's how you update your 98 to 05 GS chassis with modern LED taillights. Thanks for watching, guys. See you next time.